So this video is of the travel vlog to Dominican Republic, Punta Cana, and it's the week vlog for you. So I'm going to do the voiceover of the video I took because I just took a load of video and put it all together. I'm still unpacking. This is a few days now being back, but yes, I've got a load of washing down there and I'm still sorting out my wardrobe from the trip. But let's get into the vlog. Morning everyone, today is the first full day of us being on holiday. We did wake up very early because we are still on UK time, but we made the most of it and went straight to the beach to watch the sunrise, and we were very surprised and shocked at how clear the sand is and how clear blue the sea is. It's definitely nothing like the sand and sea that you get in the UK. We are definitely not the only ones waking up to sunrise, and 100% get the deck chairs early because they go quick. We got down there at about 5:30 and all the shaded chairs on the beach were taken already. The first breakfast we went to the beach restaurant. So this restaurant is just right next to the beach, so you do get the sea breeze, but it doesn't have as much as the normal buffet has in it, but it has enough, I think, for what I needed for breakfast. But my mum preferred the other one because they did more poached eggs and stuff like that. The food was okay. I am going to do a proper vlog all about the food because there is a lot to say about the food. The fresh food, like the fruit, was amazing. Pineapple was so fresh and the passion fruit was absolutely amazing. They were my favourite bits about the food here. Every morning you had 2 ducks come to the pool. This is just one of them. There is 2 of them. They live on the island on the pool, but they were so cute to see each morning. This is the swim up pool bar. Lots of people went round here and it's just a fun thing to do. You do have to be careful walking back with your drinks because the amount of time I nearly dropped a drink in the water was quite funny, and my sister took her Lilo over and she kept losing it and struggled with bringing it back. But it was a fun idea and quite fun to be able to do. First day of being there, we did have a 10-minute torrential downpour, but the Dominican Republic and call it golden water, which I found quite cute. Also on the first day, it was actually Dominican Republic's Independence Day, so they put on a special celebration celebrating their country, which I absolutely loved and glad that we were there for it. The dancing was really cute on the beach. They put on a barbecue buffet. There was paella, there was fresh fruit and desserts. At the end of it, there was a band playing. They had their flags up. It was just a really nice environment celebration to be in. As it was an all-inclusive hotel, we did get these coconuts for free. They opened them there and the coconut water is very fresh. Obviously, it was a lovely refresher to have. This is on the first day. The beach isn't actually too busy, which is nice. This is the truck shop. The truck shop is based over in Punta Cana's hotel that we can use. Just really nice to easily get food. And it's only like a 5-minute walk from where our pool is to the truck shop. As you can tell, the beach here is amazing. No seaweed or anything like that on the first day. Evening we went to have a buffet which was still celebrating Dominican Republic's Independence Day, and then afterwards we went for a drink in the sports bar which is on our complex too, which was actually really nice. Morning from day 2, we woke up again for sunrise and it was a beautiful one. Not really a cloud in the sky. Today I spent a lot of time at the beach with my mum. It was just such a chilled out moment. We got back to the beach at about 8:30 and everyone put their stuff out, but no one was out yet, and I was just vibing on my own with the piece. It was so relaxing. I did make a little lizard friend, which was really cute. I hadn't seen one yet, and I saw some, which was so cute. It was very hot that day. I think it got up to 31. So I did spend some time in the room. Me and my sister also went around to the village that they have in the hotel complex, and it was very empty, which was fine. It's just empty and no one was around. There are some shops there too. I'm guessing that gets busier in the evening, but I'm not entirely sure it does. A lot of people just stay around their hotels to do things. All entertainment today was you throw things and then you get the people, the entertainers wet. This was an okay one. I don't think it was that fun because there's a pool where they jump in afterwards and the water's not that cold. It was fun to watch, but I wouldn't say it was that entertaining. Here is one of the yummy drinks I got. I don't have a clue what it was, but it was nice. In the evening, it was a disco. I think this was tropical night or retro night. And there was a group of people with their partners who all had the same shirt on, which always makes me laugh when I see. Morning from day 3. I think it's day 3 anyway. We went to sunrise again, and it was a bit windy today, which was actually much needed. My sister is here just chilling on a deck chair. I think she was messaging her sons back from the night before. And yeah, it's just another beautiful day in the Caribbean. What can I say? There was seaweed on the sand this morning. It's the first time I'd seen it. I know some people get funny about seaweed being on the sand. I don't actually mind it. It's just a part of nature. And there was quite a bit on the sea today. But I didn't really go in the sea this day. I mainly went in the pool. After every sunrise, we go to this coffee shop. This coffee shop is beautiful. I advise to go there as all the staff are lovely. You have to get a pineapple while you're there and some ice cream. You do get charged for the pineapple at $5 each time. Morning again from the Dominican Republic. It's another beautiful day, but did I not have a beautiful day in the Caribbean? No, I did not. Every single day was absolutely hot and beautiful. Today, I think we got to about 31 degrees, which is amazing. Very hot for someone from the UK that has just come from 2 degrees going to 30. Our body was in a bit of a shock of how hot it was. But it's hot and beautiful, and the sea is so clean. Today for sunrise, my mum came with me, which was nice. She hadn't seen sunrise since being there, so she took time for herself to see it. And we had both of the ducks today, which are so cute. Just they're cute ducks. This was my favourite breakfast. This is from the coffee shop, and they're just croissants with chocolate drizzled over them, but they are beautiful. I always get myself a hot chocolate in the morning, and my sister gets herself an iced latte. I think that was a chocolate one. But yeah, a beautiful start to the day. Today exercises was this, and this was absolutely hilarious to watch. Only a few people actually got across it. For evening dinner, my sister and I went to the Indian restaurant over as the Esmeralda, or I think it was Esmeralda Hotel, so part of the same chain hotel, but the Esmeralda side, the Indian restaurant is beautiful. The service was amazing, and so was the food. Everything was amazing. This drink you got as soon as you walked in. It's just a beautiful location and food. I'm going to do a food video coming up later on within this month, so keep an eye out for that for more details about the food. This is the entertainment in the amber today. It was just basically a band playing, which was fine. Morning I slept in and I didn't make sunrise, but I did pop down to the beach to see how it was doing today. It was very busy and hot at the beach today, as you can see. But this is how the beach normally looks, supposedly. So this is just a normal day, but to me it was busy. But it was another beautiful blue sky. Lots of people in the sea enjoying it, as you can see your feet, which is amazing, because UK one you can't see your feet. And today's entertainment was the pool party. I had been waiting for this. I was very excited for the pool party. It was brilliant. Don't know what else to say. The phone was amazing. The entertainment was amazing. Everyone was having an absolute laugh. Evening, my sister and I went to the Mexican, where my mum and her friend went to the buffet. The Mexican was okay, not my favourite, but it was okay. In the evening was the fire show, and this was absolutely brilliant. Definitely recommend getting good seats to see these guys if they are there when you are. They, as you can see, are brilliant. Don't know what else to say. Today is a sad day. It is our last day. We had the morning here, so we did make an effort for sunrise this morning, which was absolutely beautiful coming through the clouds. We did get some lunch, and then it was on the coach on the way home back to the airport. The flight left on time, but it was very sad to say bye to the Dominican Republic, as we had a fantastic time. Thanks for watching, everyone.